Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve stumble guys always crashing. To know how to fix or how to solve stumble guys always crashing, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about this window of stumble guys. Then in this list of app info you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about stumble guys. You can uninstall your app, then you can install again your app to fix your problem on stumble guys. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.